So how did you hear about the diss? How did you hear that he...
Nigga called me, said, yo, you and Lil Wayne, you and Lil Wayne beefing? I said, no. Why would we be beefing? He said, man, it sound like you diss you. I said, nah, man, I blew that shit off. Another nigga called me, blew that shit off. Third nigga called me. I just so happened to been picking a nigga up from New Orleans. You know what I'm saying? From the airport. When the third nigga called me out, I said, yo, man, that's the third nigga that called me and tell me Lil Wayne about to check out this and my nigga.
Yeah, I'm back at it. I do what I do, a rap addict. The game done had it, it's over. The young soldier, I do it. The young hover at the veins. Don't sign me, start my own company. Can't be released unless I'm comfortable. It's me, fucker, the boss, heartbeat, ENT, my mob, let's talk, nigga, bring it to the streets. I'm a beast, I'm an animal. Hold it down, man, listen. I load it round in the chambers, I bang you up. It get dangerous. Yeah, I know you heard about us. I just do what I do. I live for my, I die for my, I ride for my, I pride for my, no hiding. Man, listen, got pride for my crew. I bang, I do my thing. Gorilla gang, you know how we hang, we make movements, represent G-Unity, G movement. Fucker. Doing what we doing, the hustlers is up, getting they bucks up. Turn your ass to dust, we ain't never fuck up. Nigga, what the fuck up? Low key, niggas know about me. OG probably on parole, niggas never know. All that parole officer, all that parole off. Man, listen here, get the parole off. Man, listen here, get that payrolls off. Done. The one, young, with a gun, nigga, but they ain't right, so old. Man, listen here, the story ain't got to be told. They should know, like the flow, I'm on point. Every shot I take, every break I get, every move I make. They can hate, they snakes, catch them in the glass, catch them in the ass. Quick, fast, that's to the facts, fuck up, that's to the flash. These bitch niggas throw up, no, I throw up. Whatever I throw up, make the game so sick, everybody throw up. Anybody that know us, nigga, hold up. I'm platinum plus, I smash these faggots, I 30 thrashing. You can ask them, but who you asking? Dead men don't talk, dead men do walk. The line perfectly fine when it's my time. I know I got to go, I know I got the flow, I know I got to hold it down, hand for hand, toe for toe. Let them know, destiny. Honesty, in the back, honestly, it's my destiny to do it like that. Real cat, do it for the life. Pay homage, keep knowledge. Never been garbage, no dollars up, but no dollars in, no dollars out. So I don't give a fuck, you know what I'm talking about. You fools don't, YouTube don't charge me a fee, I do it for free. You fools won't. I got the aftermath. You can ask my staff, and after that, see if you survive the aftermath. Yeah, I had to blast. I get my cash in duffel bags, boy. You already know. This ain't a shot at Lil Wayne, ain't Gilly or Squilly, nigga. Really hold it down with the penny, A. But I freestyle, fucker. The young hustler tell JC he need to pick me up. Yeah, I could write in the back, real cat. If you like the bike, please recite that. Elroy Wilson the boss, put the names on the check. And I'm talking to everybody in New York that's claiming it. Respect. One to the neck, one to the chest. I'm from the project, I'm a project by myself, nobody can help. Do it for the dolo, nobody else, you know how I go. Round for round, hand in hand, toe for toe. Yeah, let the guns off, let them know. Black motherfucker, I clap, motherfucker, I'm that. Black hustler, get back, nigga, before I touch you. Catch AIDS from this. That's the white boys from back in the days. I'm on my shit, yeah.